Yo, what's going on, everyone? I wanted to start and try to give you guys some DIYs and some reviews. So I've got something special today. We're gonna try and get this thing to be a little bit more responsive, a little bit quicker. So I got one of these. Sprint booster. Pretty standard. It was actually I got a pretty good deal on it. So they're pretty inexpensive. And my goal is I wanted to make this thing a lot more responsive, because I think the only thing that I've had an issue with is the fact that I put the pedal to the metal and it takes a good whole second before it does anything. So I'm pretty sure it's not all of them. I've heard a couple people, but I haven't had too many people. So I think it's my car. So I've been wanting to try and get something to get this thing really to where it should be. Now, as far as the product itself, looks like here it's made in, it says Greece. So Europe. Pretty legit looking stuff. So all right, let's open this up and see what we got in here. Keep in mind I didn't buy this brand new. I got a test product, but this is literally it. Now I heard they've got 3 versions. I think mine's like the middle, like the version 2, or it's not the latest one, I know that, but plug and play. As you can see, it looks like there's a couple things that actually plug in here. A couple modules or so. Now, as far as the actual install itself, it goes behind the pedal. So let me show you here real quick. So the throttle, as you can see, obviously the main pedal, or if you want to call it the accelerator, the gas pedal, there's a couple things behind there. You can start off by taking off any of the floor mats that you guys have. Just held on by Velcro. Alright, to get started, you'll see a little black circle right here. That'll be a cover for a torque screw. So go ahead and pop that out real quick. Alright, so what you're going to do is you just go ahead and pop this off. Just like that. And you get the little torque bit that you can just put right in there. You're going to want to use a T30 Torx. And we'll go ahead and just get this going. Now once you remove it, this is what you're pulling out. So just pop right out, slide up. Alright, what you'll have to keep an eye out for is you'll have to get your finger on both sides and pull it out. There's a clip on this side and this side inside here, which you can't access on the other side. So pulling it out that way, as so. From here, you just go ahead and connect everything, plug away. Just take the end from the BMW and end from Sprint Booster, plugs right in. Going back to your pedal, just plugs right in. Just like that. And then slides it back into the bracket just like that. And you're all set. Use that 30 Torx back in here. All done. Let's give it a shot. Alright, I just started it up. Let's see what this thing can do. So, you can see the pedal down here. So we'll just give it a light tap. Whoa. Because like when I first put my foot on the throttle lightly, as I normally would, it was up like 25% or 33% or something like that. It like kind of floors it for me. That was like 50% throttle, but I only did like 25% throttle. I'm gonna have to start to be careful. It gives me more throttle than I want. Man, and that thing is wicked responsive. It's like night and day difference. Man, this thing is slick right now. Like honestly, I can't even get this box to stay on this thing. Ceramic Pro. Got a couple things laying around. Old bumper, new bumper. I actually, and there's gonna be some cool things that I'm gonna show you here soon with what I want to do. Gonna be adding some Era components. And you won't want a free old used downpipe for an N55. Yeah, how many of you guys think I should go make my lip carbon instead of this plastic? Been thinking about doing it, getting it made in carbon. Let me know. Let me know. I think it'd look good, all carbon. Kind of like this. But on there. While I'm in here, a little teaser for you guys. I've got a few of these steering wheels coming in. Not this one, but I got the Alcantara, custom-made Alcantara flat bottom, tricolor stitching with the 12 o'clock colored. So I got red, yellow, blue coming in. I've got a bunch of them, so lucky you guys. I think for my next video I want to do some driving, maybe some cool drive-bys, maybe some wide open throttles. I think you guys want to see some of that stuff. So stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, follow my Instagram. I've got some cool things coming up. I think next week or this week I want to do I'll do a giveaway for you guys. So comment below why I should win and I'll choose one of you guys. Shoot you a message and mail some stuff out. And as always, thanks for watching.